Hello, this is Sunny from my Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. It is Memory Verse Bundle Release Day. This is our October Memory Verse Bundle. The title is Hope in the Lord. And yeah, I think in this day and age, this period of time, we need to understand that our hope is in the Lord and nothing else and in nobody else. Yeah, just in Him alone. So we've got 4 verses. We are memorizing Psalm 146 verse 5. Blessed is those whose help is in the God of Jacob, whose hope is in the Lord of God. Hebrews 10:23. Let us hold fast the confession of our hope without wavering, for He who promised is faithful. And then Psalm 42 verse 11. Why are you cast down, O my soul, and why are you in turmoil within me? Hope in God, for I shall again praise Him, my salvation and my God. And then Romans 12 verse 12 is rejoice in hope, be patient in tribulation, be constant in prayer. So there's many verses I could have chosen. Some of the verses about hope we have already memorized. But this is the 4 I chosen. It's sort of a little bit of a fall theme. Hopefully it's still bright enough for us here in South Africa to enjoy. I've got my tabbies, my numbers and things like that. Then I've got these sort of wreaths with these cup of teas. When I think of hoping in the Lord, I'm thinking of waiting, have patience, trusting. It takes time. It doesn't happen instantly. So I'm thinking of having a cup of tea. It takes time to nurse a cup of tea, so you can actually have a nice strong tea. It might not have anything to do with hope, but it's just pretty, and hopefully it will help you document your memory verses and some journaling cards and things like that. Look at these flowers. I first had it just black and white, but then it looked a bit dull to me, so what I've done is I just colored it in sort of variously. Some I kept black and white, just to have sort of a feel for it. You can color it in more if you want, or yeah, you can skip it like that. Just like the simplicity of it. And then I've got these beautiful tags to help you document also. With the same with the wreaths and the teacups and things like that. Love the color scheme. And then obviously we have our meditation seed, which is just a little bit of elements of what we are documenting. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my book, and I'll show you at the end how it looks. All the details down below if you want to pick it up from my Etsy shop, from my Kofi account. I'd love you to join us this month. This is probably going to be our last 4 verses. I'm still deciding what I'm going to do over November, because after this month, we have a week of rest. So that takes us into November. And as I always say, our summer holidays is in November, December, or December, beginning December till January. So I'd like to take also a nice break over my summer holidays. So we're definitely not going to memorize 4 verses in November, maybe just 1 or 2. I'm still thinking about it, because I want a sort of a 6 weeks break just to enjoy the summer holidays with my family. And then we will pick it up in January, God willing. Okay, now let me put this in my book and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, I've put everything in my book. I love how it looks. I sort of try to mimic that circle around, and I've stick in my review and practice sheet with my obviously meditation sheet. And then I always just cut my 4 verses out. I always print it double, and then I just put it in the back of my memory box verse to use that, so it's ready for next week. So if you want to join us, please feel free. All the details is down below. And if you haven't picked up our free memory verse bundle, which you can make yourself a little box like I have, then please go do that also. Get ready, start memorizing, get in practice maybe this month, and then next year you can start memorizing scripture with us. Have a great week. Bye-bye.